Hello friends, this is Shuprio. Welcome to my channel SK Aquaspace. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel. Hello friends, today in this video I am going to show you how you can make a aquarium light stand or any light stand that you can use for starting purpose, as well as you can use this kind of light stand for any home as a home decor item. So here you can see I have taken 1-inch PVC pipe, okay, and wherever there is bend, I have taken that many number of elbow and like this. And PVC pipe you can easily get in any hardware store, okay. So according to your need, according to your height, okay, you cut the PVC pipe according to your height and according to your need. And wherever remember, wherever there is a bend, okay, you have to use this elbow, okay. In the hardware store you have to tell that you give me 1-inch elbow, okay. They will give you 1-inch elbow like this, okay. Wherever there is bend you have to use elbow, and the structure is like this. See, here is an elbow, and there is a short PVC pipe joint. So I have cut a small piece of PVC pipe like this, okay. And according to the you have to measure and cut the pipe. Otherwise see, if you need this much of length, you have to cut it little bigger, because some part will go into this elbow and some part will go into this elbow. And one thing, let me tell you, I haven't used any adhesive in it. Just if you press the elbow in the pipe into end, it will remain in place. It is actually made in such a way that it fits into the pipe. And here I have used another elbow, okay. From here, this I have used a long pipe, okay, like this. I have cut a long pipe like this. And wherever suppose there was a little shortage of pipe, so here these two pipe I have joined with a connector. So this is also a 1-inch connector, okay. So that also will get in a hardware shop. And here here in the base you can see I have used a T joint is like this. I will explain. See here, T joint, it is just like a T, okay. From here one pipe you can join, from here another pipe. So with T joint you can in overall you can join actually three pipes, okay. And see here this here with this T joint, with this T joint, what I have done is I have connected two long pipe, and in both the end, okay. And I have placed this kind of small piece, okay. And this is the end cap. I have sealed it with end cap. And so like this I'll show you. I can't show you the whole structure in a one glance. I'll show you the raw footage of this pipe. So and also when you have created the structure, remember, you no need of using any glue in it. Only just press it hard, it will be in place. And from any end you can take out the wire like this. See here, from here I have taken the wire has gone like this, and it has gone like this, and from the other end the wire came out. But in your case also, from this end, from this end, the wire can come out and it can join with the plug, okay. And and how I have made the lamp shade is I have taken a 2 liter of cold drinks bottle, and I have cut the top of it, and I have cut the top of it in such a way that one half of the holder. So actually, this is the holder. Okay, here on the outside, one half of the holder is there, and from inside, the another part of the holder is there. Okay, and you can easily then twist these two part of the holder to, okay, and to color it, what I have done is I have taken a sandpaper like this, because if you this is also available in any hardware shop. If you do not use this sandpaper, then the color won't stick to this pipe, because the pipe is very polished surface. So what I have done is I have rubbed the surface and made it rough with sandpaper, and then I have used any door paint, okay, and with a brush I have just colored it. And the plastic bottle also part, I have just rubbed it with sandpaper, and I have colored it in the same way. So like this you can easily make your aquarium do it yourself light stand, okay, or you can use it for starting purpose as well.
So this was the raw structure. You can see in the base there is a long pipe. Okay, actually that is two part of the pipe joined with a T in the middle. Okay, and in the side also there is two T joint. Okay, and with that T joint two more small pipe is joined for stability of the base. But you can also put only one pipe on this end. Okay, with an end cap. No need of placing this small pipe on both the end. Okay, so you can easily place only this front pipe, because the light is extending towards the front. So for stability you have to put the small two pieces in the front as well. Okay, so that will give stability to the system. And you can see the wire is stitched, okay, from from here to the end. So like this you can make any structure with the help of PVC pipe, long, short, or even two light in one place. So you can make it easy.